Man, it's perfect weather after the big storm. No clouds. Unbelievable. Hey everybody, we're out here in Boulder today, Chautauqua Park. We normally would come out here and do the Royal Arch. It's a fairly short trail, demanding on the thighs, but a good one. We had another reason for being out here today, a surprise yet to be announced. Let's just say that Debbie and I had to come out here and meet with some other photographers and ourselves be on the other side of the lens for a change. But we'll tell you more about that later. We just decided since we were here, why not hang around and take a little loop while we're at it. Keep our legs going, enjoy being outdoors. It's Chautauqua and Boulder. It's a beautiful place, very popular. But we came during the week, so it's all ours today. Just bring you along, enjoy some of the aftermath of the storm that came through. Really strong, powerful winter storm. But, did good. We're out here, we're having fun, we're enjoying ourselves, and a little surprise soon to be announced. Not a big deal, but kind of fun for us. So, here we go. Is a great way to get in shape for the Colorado Trail. And throw everything at you here. And it's just nice. Ah, this is nice. Flat and level. Nice break. Yeah, I can't get enough of that. Yeah, it really is a fun place to come. Of course, the Flatirons themselves are just iconic. Boulder, unbelievable. We're slowly working our way back down into Boulder right now. Just took a little loop. Couldn't pass up the opportunity being out here to come up and look at them. Beautiful day after big storm. And the obvious downhill The Energizer Bunny is taken off. I'm pretty sure she's got food on the brain right now. We didn't eat this morning. Came out here to do this little photo shoot we did. And now we're like really, really hungry. The Energizer Bunny is well on her way. Yeah, how's that for a backdrop? I don't even have to turn around. I already know. It's amazing. Beautiful setting here. Okay, I want to look. We'll walk backwards. I think I can cover that. Oh yeah. What's not to like with that? Unreal. We're about back at the trailhead. Kind of dumps you off in this little neighborhood. About ready to head out. Find some food. Hope you had a good time. We did.